Okay, good day everyone. Today I will show you how to enhance color in Camtasia. So let's get started. So we have one video here and two images. We will enhance this 3. So let us begin with the two images. Let us drag them here. Then let us copy this one so that we will be having a comparison later on. There you go. So we have here two images, two similar images. So let us drag this, change the size. Okay, make it that way. Okay, so in order for us to see the difference or the changes, let us add some transition to these two images. Okay, so we need the transition first so that later on we will see this one, so that later on we will see the enhancement, the changes. There you go. Okay, so let us enhance this one. We can enhance this by only using the brightness, contrast, and saturation. So how will we do that? We go to visual effects and then let us find color adjustments. This one. Let us drag it to the target image. So notice here we have black and white, but you cannot see the saturation here, so we can drag this down. There you go. So notice here that the saturation is 100% negative. There you go. So let us enhance the color. First, let us adjust the contrast. Okay, little by little we will see. Notice there is no detail yet. Okay, let us adjust the brightness. See, now notice it is gradually appearing, but still not good enough, not smooth enough. So let us adjust the contrast. There you go. And the brightness. Okay, if you notice the background there, the mountains, the skies, they are all there, but we need a little more adjustments. So it has something to do with the contrast and brightness actually. We must be so sure that all the details are there and it is smooth enough and it is not dark enough. Okay, let us brightness. No, not so. Okay, so that's it. Now let us try to adjust the saturation. See what will happen. Look, the color of the shoes, the dress, look, the mountains, the background mountains, see, the skies. Now let us see the difference between the original. Oh, see, that is what I am talking about. That is how we do it. And let us adjust a little bit. No. Yes, that's it. Okay, so let's see the difference. See, color of the mountains, the green, the grass, the dress, the shoes, and everything. Now let us try the other image, this car. So this is the original color of the car, the background. Now let us copy this one so that we will be having a comparison later on. And right click, paste. There you go. So no changes yet. Let us put the transition so that later on we will see. No changes yet. No enhancement done yet. Okay. So that we can enhance this, same procedure will happen. We need to go to visual effects and then color adjustment, drag it, and then so black and white, we don't see the saturation, drag it down, and there you go. So before we touch the saturation, before we adjust, let us adjust the contrast first. Okay, now the brightness. These two will always go together until you get the smoothness and until you bring out all the details of the background. Actually, your background is a technique. Your background is your sign. Look. Let's adjust this a little bit, and then yeah, notice the background. Just the background, the details of the background are going out already. You can see. Then let us do the saturation. Alright, so let's see let us see the difference between the two. So this is the original, that is the enhanced one, you notice. But let us add a little more saturation to have a little brighter color to the car. Okay, that's it. So let us see the difference now. Look, the original color of the car is something like black, red, but this time it is bright red. So let's play. There you go. The mountains about this car. Wow, look, the background, the colors, the blue. Okay, so let's go to media and drag the videos. Actually, this has two videos, the drone shot and the mountain shot, but I already enhanced the mountain shot to cut short the time because we are spending too much time. So let us now concentrate on this drone video over here. So in order to have comparison, we will cut this two. We will split them, and then there you go. So we will enhance the other side. Transition. There you go. Then same procedure will happen. To adjust the color, we need to go to visual effects and then color adjustment, drag it to the target image or video. So notice here it is black and white because the saturation of this video is on -100. So let us adjust the contrast and the brightness. Okay, notice the details of the leaves, the car, the roof are not yet there. That is our target, to bring all the details out. There you go. Adjust the brightness. So notice here they are coming out, but that we need a little bit more adjustments. The technique here is you get the smoothness and the brightness to bring out the details. So okay, so you see now the car there. You notice that it's already a car, so that is already good detail. See the difference between the two. So we will now try to adjust the saturation and we will see the effect. Look at the leaves. Oh, see that? Now let us try to see. Look at the color of the car. Color of the roof. Now let us compare from the original color of the video. This is the original color. And that is the enhanced one. Look at the color of the leaves. That's it. That is how you adjust it. Look. Wow. Car, adjust. There you go. The mountains. The details. Background mountains. Skies. See? Wow. What about this drone shot over here? Look at the leaves of the trees, the roof. When it is enhanced. See the difference? The car. So that's it. I hope I helped you. So if I was able to help you, please consider subscribing. Click the bell button and then consider liking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped you. Bye-bye.